Hello viewer. And I've had to do some repairs on the bike. Rear bearings needed doing. So I've done them this morning and I'm going to attempt to get to Tann Inn. And this is my second attempt. I got to reef last time because the weather was bad. Anyway, let's go and see if I can make it.
Speed up for the cyclists. Speed up and look, not tired.
I love reef. Fremerton Edge. Swelldale. Don't know what the hills are called. I could easily live here. I do love it.
Great view of Swelldale. So Tann Inn and a Noisy Sheep that way. That's the top end of Swelldale. Coming down towards Richmond, that's where I've come up. Fantastic. You imagine the ice sheets just ripping that channel out and then swinging it left. Wonderful. Hey! Wait! GP! I love the sound of carbon wheels. It's like riding on two Frotons. Tend to lock up my back brakes. Just coming up to the CB Inn. Done many a gig here in the 80s. Lots of bands used to play here. Great venue. Middle of nowhere. I don't think there are bands on now anymore though. very start of Swaledale, I think. And we're going to go that road over that top of that brow of that hill, and a couple more miles and Tann Inn. But with all the troubles of the world, I need to live in that house up there. No one would bother you up there, would they? Not even the postman. Fantastic. About 3 miles to go, I think. It doesn't get much higher than this though, up on Dales. Bloody hell, we're jumping this bridge. Look at that, over 5 buses. Yay! Geology. I don't know whether that's where the ice sheets have come down here and here and met up with that big huge one that cut out Swaledale, or is this the floodwaters? Maybe his ice sheet was up there, floodwaters came down here, maybe. Top of hill, Tann Inn. I just want to show you something though. When I was a kid we used to get blue skies, and they just seem to be very hazy these days. You notice it up here. Very strange. Anyway, that way. Busy viewer. Look at his land. Some fantastic views. Not really sure what they're called though. I should do better really. I think I've got about 25-30 miles to go. I feel good, legs are good. Just enjoying it. We're the most of the sunshine. Bit weary, I know I've got a back brake that locks up. I do love that view. I often stop here. Fantastic. I'm not sure what dale this is, but that's Swaledale coming down that way. Stonedale, West Stonedale. This is West Stonedale meeting Swaledale. See, I'm learning. I've only lived here all my life, 55 years, you know. I know how he feels. Tell you what though, a good pair of jeans then. I'll be back tonight. I think I'm getting fitter. I'm kicking around about 130 on my pulse. I'm not out of breath. I haven't hit the VO2 max. Got no cramps in my bum, doesn't it? I'm kidding. It's all good. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Back into Reef. Quick pit stop. And back home. About 14 miles from Reef. My house is. Of course. Flemington Edge. Make sure I've got brakes. Oh, I'm not doing that again. What I did last week. No. Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh, here we are. Mad busy up here view, but I can hear music. Over there. We'll go for a drink. Richmond. Yay. Well, I made it back. 54 miles. Let's go and have a look at the map. Tough going there. Obviously all uphill. Coming back was the wind. Is what it is though. But I needed the fitness. Anyway, 86 kilometres, 4 hours 15. I can usually do that in 3:50. But like I said, it's a bit windy coming back. Yeah, but it's alright. Yeah, not a bad effort. I enjoyed that. It was quite windy coming back though. Like 15-mile-an-hour headwinds, which kind of slowed me down a bit. But yeah, it's good to get back out and get some decent miles in. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.